Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to Paida's Corner. So I'm in the city center. I'm here to collect our Starlink. So I'm going to take you guys along with us and see how it works and what is in the package. So I'm here at the DHL. So yeah, let's go and collect the package and then we go home. We test how the speed and everything. So I'll be sharing with you guys. Of course, there were delays in DHL due to the volumes. As you can see here inside DHL offices, it was fully packed. I don't think they were delivering the kids door to door. They asked people to walk into their offices and pick them themselves. So around end of May to beginning of June, Starlink announced that they will be offering the service to Zimbabwe. So on June 1st, we were invited by Starlink to reserve our Starlink kits. We made a deposit of $9. Starlink started selling their kits beginning of September. For those of us who had made $9 deposits, we were asked to make payment of $364 US dollars. This price included $23 shipping fees to Harare. We paid ours on 9 of September. And after a few days of waiting, we got our device on 3rd of September. So that was all the process of us receiving our Starlink kit.
This is unboxing this. This is the antenna. Actually, this is what you're going to put outside. This is the part that communicates with the satellite dish, and actually it's bigger than what we expected. Yeah, so this is the first bit of it. Yes, and here I think we have our instruction, the setup manual, all of these things. Then here we have the router, and all right. So here we have the router, and on the router here we will connect our power cable, and this side we connect it to the networking. This is where we connect to the antenna, which will be connected to the other side. And I think yes, here also we can be able to put your LAN cables. I think it's supposed to. I think we have. I don't know. We have 2 ports there. We'll see it. Then here we have this is the power supply, and the power supply will be connected to, so this part will connect to the power supply. We have a 3-pin plug, and also in the box then we have this is the cable that we are going to run from the antenna all the way to our router in here. Yeah, so I think for now this is what we have in the box, and we have a little bit of literature that we'll also talk about, and we'll show you after connecting it, and we do speed testing and maybe show you our setup.
Yeah guys, we are back. So yeah, the DHL offices were packed. People wanted to collect their Starlink equipment, but anyway we managed to collect ours. We spent almost an hour, but anyway we thank God we managed. We are home. So at least I decided my husband to explain on the pieces which were in the package. So we are now about to set up, and we'll show you guys how it works in the speed. So keep watching until the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'm hungry. I want to eat. I'm hungry like a hungry lion. So guys, this is our current setup. We decided to put there on top of the roof. Let me try to zoom so that you can see it here. Yeah, so we just put it on top of the roof while we are waiting for the stand. I think we have this tent like in a week or 2 weeks. So at the moment we just placed it on top of the roof. So that's how it looks like. So this is our current speed at the moment, maximum speed 255 mbps. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also guys, share with me if you have this Starlink, how it works, what's your experience. For hours now at the moment it is working perfectly, so I would want to know you guys your experience, because for us before we're using Zoll, but now the monthly subscription, it was very expensive. It was becoming expensive each and every time. So I would want to know your experiences, guys, with this internet service providers. Okay guys, see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.